In the last episode we touched on starting a basic business with a heat press and all its attachments to do sublimation printing. In this episode we're going to take you to the demonstration room and show you all the vinyl cutters that AM has to offer. To be able to offer vinyl heat pressing, in addition to sublimation heat pressing, adds great value to what you can offer your clients. And in order to do that, you'll need a vinyl cutter. And of course, AM offers a great range of vinyl cutters. And let's start with the V-Smart Plus. The V-Smart Plus comes with an automatic contour cutting laser registration eye. These vinyl cutters also come in a width of 440, 740, 1.3 and 1.6. The V-Smart Plus is a very good cutter to start with. It allows you to do many things, but I highly recommend it because it's very accurate, it's got good quality cutting, and it's very fast. The next vinyl cutter we have is the V-Auto, the big boy. This cutter comes with a V-Auto Superfast Vinyl Cutting with contour cutting laser eye. Its servo motors are extremely fast, has extremely good quality, and is a lot faster than the V-Smart Plus. And of course you also get the smaller version of this cutter. And in fact, these cutters come in the following sizes: a 900, a 1.5 and 1.8. Now that we've seen all of these, let's see them in action.
Having a heat press and a vinyl cutter definitely opens up opportunities with a greater variety of things you can do. For example, we're going to do a diary today. You get such a great variety of vinyls. I'm going to use the gold.
So you should know that vinyl comes in rolls up to 1.5 meters wide. So this is going to be used in conjunction with large format printers, which we will be concentrating on in the next episode. So the purchase of a vinyl cutter is a huge game changer. It allows you to do so much more and offer a huge variety of signage solutions as well. Watch this. So we've come a pretty far way, but when it comes to large format printing, we've just hit the tip of the iceberg. And in this next episode, we're going to be exploring all the wide applications that we use the large format printers for. And don't forget to brush up your skills with all the training videos at sorted.co.za with the vinyl cutting videos. And keep on learning and keep on working.